Let's assemble the ultimate stereo. Disc. Mickey Mouse. One of my favorite during my childhood. Oh, darn it. Get in there. Oh, there we go. Now it's gone in. Does it load? Maybe I have to click the menu, the start. I have to click start. Okay. Oh. I think no. Disc loading. Does it take it in? Yes, it does. Well. Oh, it does load. Oh, it does load. Okay, just Tinkerbell from Peter Pan. Yeah, you know we call Peter Pan peanut butter, which were contaminated to 2111. Appropriate. Okay, this thing is from Disney. Okay, Pixar. Keep going. Wait, it's not all in territories. Keep moving it. Public, I do not need to read this. I know about anti-piracy. Bob. Okay. Skip. And do we have anything else on the screen? Oh, there it is. Oh, hi, Mickey Mouse. Nice to meet you again. The SD card pops in right here. Card loads. No, where's the S? Okay. Start. Click start. Start. I said start. Click start. Start. And your format not supported. USB, eh? Oh, it's just popping in. Okay. All the formats cannot load properly. USB does not load in properly. Bluetooth. Okay, so I might need to cover the camera due to its anti-piracy. I do not want anybody hacking into my phone. Okay? TV6 right here, and connected. Let's go to the menu. So let's go to the start, and we go into disc. It's on. Oh, it already selected disc on start. On the start menu. That's almost like Windows. Father, did you know that this thing actually opens up like the start menu if you're in something else? Now this is the ultimate dual stereo.